Bali guys, ito kami ngayon, nandito kami sa Korea. Sabi dito, farmers daw kami. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ganito ang suot namin, no? Hindi ko alam. Ang hirap pala maging farmer dito sa Korea. Ang init ng suot. Sige, una na muna kami, baka mahuli kami ni Bossing.
Good morning po guys, magandang araw po. Ngayon po, dito po kami sa may labas po ng hotel namin. Nag-iintay lang po kami na umalis po kasama po ang tour group po namin. For now po, habang nag-iintay lang po kami ay nag-shoot lang po kami sa mga nearby stuff po. Like yung subway po, yung telephone booth, and yung other parts po na malapit po dito sa may hotel po namin while waiting for our tour bus.
Right? When you go to the Australia, you buy the sheep cream. When you buy the Japan, you buy Kito-san.
First stop po namin dito sa may day trip po ng Korea po namin is ang ginseng outlet po. Isa po siyang parang museum or exhibit po all about ginseng. Yung ginseng po, to my knowledge po, and yung sinabi po sa amin din po sa tour po namin dito is like parang luya siya or isa po siyang herb na ginagamit po for medicine and other type of treatment po.
The more detail. Maximum ginseng 6 year ginseng. If we didn't take out 6 year ginseng, we die. The land will die.
After po ng ginseng outlet po, dito po kami sa may local cosmetics po. Isa po siyang place where people can buy po and brands of like skincare products and other type of stuff po na ganun ay pwede po mag-advertise sa mga locals and tourists po. Dito po ay full of high-end brands po for skincare and other products like lotion and face wash po. Mayroon po silang wall full of famous people na nag-visit po sa kanila. So, we can see po na very popular po siya dito sa Korea and siguro very well known po sa mga skincare lovers.
There's one of example during the COVID-19. Even though COVID-19 very serious in Korea, most people.
The next part of our trip po is dito po sa may hot spot po na dinalan po kami ni Kuya Brian for lunch po. It was a very small street and hindi po masyado matao, especially po sa may labas dahil parang very quaint lang po siya and parang local lang po siya na spot po na where pwede po kumain po kayo ng hot pot po. There were a lot of open seats. Siguro nagpa-reserve po si Kuya Brian po for our tour po. First impressions po sa place po, very nice po siya. Very may aircon po at hindi po masyado mainit despite yung marami pong hot pot. And the staff were nice po, very accommodating po siya. And there were a lot of very diverse na taste po namin po dito. May meat po, there were noodles, mushrooms, and a lot of veggies po. It was a fun and really great experience po. After a really great lunch po, very tasty, nandito po kami sa may hanbok shop po where you can rent or buy mga hanbok. I think yung hanbok po is like traditional Korean wear.
So, bali guys, ito kami ngayon, nandito kami sa Korea. Sabi dito, farmers daw kami. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ganito ang suot namin, no? Hindi ko alam. Ang hirap pala maging farmer dito sa Korea. Ang init ng suot. Sige, una na muna kami, baka mahuli kami ni Bossing. Sige, bye-bye. Parang sasagala lang, oh.
palace kami. Meet namin yung mga guards. Nandito na po tayo po. Here we are po sa may entrance po and gates po ng Gyeongbok yung palace. Pasensya na po if mali po ang aking pronunciation. Pagpasok po sa entrance ay nandito po tayo sa front part po ng palace po. Wala pong masyado po nandito, only trees, open area, and very big paths po papunta po sa main middle part po ng palace. Pero before po kami pumunta doon ay nagpa-picture muna po kami dito sa may side part po ng loob po ng first part po ng palace, which is may pillars and gates and may parang signage po with Korean characters. We tried exploring po dito po sa may side parts po ng palace, which is po yung mga may parang bubong po and nakapatong po sila sa big pillars po. May madami po dito pwede po mag-picture. Very authentic po yung architecture po dito. I think hindi naman po to like bagong gawa. Like I think na-preserve po nila to or like na-clean up po ng konti yung palace po. So very nice po yung architecture. Here naman po is yung entrance po ng middle part po ng palace po, which is yung actual palace po. After exploring the big palace po sa middle, pumunta po kami sa isang pathway po dito sa may side po ng big palace and nalate po kami dito po. Isa po siyang big area po where may structures po parang yung palace pero smaller po. May trees and buhangin po. I think sa far distance din po may parang lake po na malaki and like may more foliage po like trees and plants po. Nagpicture-picture lang po kami saglit po dito. After that po, we tried exploring po the more back parts of the palace po. Papunta po kami sa may back part po ng palace. It really feels like nagwa-walk lang po kami sa may isa pang village sa like sinauna pong Korea. O kaya sa K-drama po na pinapanood po ng nanay at kapatid ko po. Sa may back part po, more on like mga pathways and malaking trees po sila. Super big po yung trees. Very nice po siya and mahangin po dahil wala po masyadong tao. Although, be careful po ulit sa buhangin dahil baka madapa po kayo. Mga 6-7 times po ako muntik na madapa po dito. Maybe because I was running a lot here. Anyways po, wala po akong masyadong nakita pong animals. So, siguro for safety reasons po yun. Baka kasi pong aksidente po yung people.
Oh no!
After po watching the guards po sa may front po ng palace, yung parang march or salute po nila, ay pumunta po kami dito sa may spot where may parang big lake po sa may gitna and sa gitna po nun ay may parang, hindi naman po palace, pero may parang structure po siya doon. It was really nice. The trees there were very droopy. I think different kind of tree po yon. Yung leaves po is like nagjo-droop down po sa baba. May fence din po dito preventing po anyone to enter po yung lake area.
Human drone. Baka gusto niyo mag-human drone.
Gano
You
po?
Human drone.
Gano?
10,000 won for human drone.
Human drone?
Yes. Human drone. 10,000 won. Human drone. Human drone. Ay, mahulog ka tayo. So guys, nandito ngayon tayo sa palasyo, no? May magandang announcement yata si Harry. May increase yata tayo sa sweldo. So antayin natin yung magandang balita, no? Sana lahat magbenepisyo. Wait lang ha. Guys, pagod na pagod kami guys. Takbo kami ng takbo. Hinahabol kami ng zombie. Putang ina, nagiging zombie na yung mga tao dito sa palasyo. Pagod na pagod kami. Guys, sa mga nakapanood nito, pahingi naman ng tulong. Guys, nakagat na ako ng zombie. Kaming dalawa na lang ang anak kong babaeng natitira. So hindi ko alam kung hanggang kailan pa ako magiging tao. Itong ano ko, pinagtatawanan pa ako. Si Raulo yata ito eh.
Zombie, zombie, zombie. Wow, authentic Korea.
옳지, 잘한다. 옳지.
After the palace po, nandito po tayo sa Bukchong Hanok Village. Isa po siyang well-known village. Very local po siya. Hindi naman po kami dito ni Kuya Brian because magwawalk kami sa other village where I think magpupunta kami uphill po sa isang spot po na gusto po puntahin po namin ni Kuya Brian. Dito po sa streets po, not very hot po masyado, hindi po masyado mainit, and full of markets where they sell mga stuff po and other trinkets po. Here we are po sa may Insadong Village po. Dito po yung uphill po na road na sinasabi po ni Kuya Brian. I think may spot po na gusto po niya dalhin po kami for picturing and stuff. And I think hindi po masyado like tumaas po yung mga elders na kasama po namin.
So guys, hindi pala zombie yung kumagat sa akin kanina.
After exploring the village po, nandito po kami sa isa pong local coffee shop po malapit po doon. It was very nice, full of like keychains at yung mga parang bottle openers. It was full of very nice drinks po. I think my sister ordered some coffee. I ordered some fruity drink. It was very nice. We didn't really vibe with anything here, so we didn't actually buy any trinkets or stuff, but we did buy some drinks and it was very, very nice. Sadly, I didn't know the name of the cafe, but we really did enjoy here resting.
Tayo.
Nandito na po kami sa may next spot po na dinala po kami. This is Top Dole Park. It was a local park in the area po. It was very nice po, full of trees and bushes po. Marami po akong na-notice na like mga old people po dito, either nakaupo or nagwo-walk lang po or like nagtatambay lang po sila dito. Dito naman po sa spot na to, I think to my knowledge, so to anyone who watches Squid Game po, I think dito po yung isang guy na encounter po isang player. Di pa ako sure doon, you can fact check that, but to my knowledge po, dito po na film po nila. We saw some a structure, parang statue or building na thingy siya, sa may loob po ng like big glass na box po, dito sa may center.
Yes?
Oh, no, real phone.
Choose real phone. Ilog ka.
Near the park, there was some very urban area, so we took some pictures there. We also saw some very old people playing a type of game. I didn't really see what kind of game it is. It looks like some type of chess or something like that. Also, there were shops here, so I also bought some ice cream with some waffle balls or thingy. It was really nice kasi medyo mainit po dito. Medyo marami po kasing tao po.
Sarap, boy.
After that place, we are here po sa duty-free shop po. It was full of brands like watches brands, mga bag brands. I think may Lululemon or something like that po. May Dior. It was like a mall full of very luxury brands and stuff. On the second floor, I think it was full of skincare and like clothes. Here it's a first floor po. I think for like mga like pabango, watches, and bags po. After the mall, like Kuya Brian took us to a place where parang pag pumasok ka sa isang building, para sa akin vibes niya is parang Divisoria. There was like a lot of stuff, mostly clothes, and like nakahanger lang po siya where you can browse po. Near the area po, there was like a building, mukha siyang mall, pero full of like athletic stuff lang siya, like Nike and other brands po na ganun po. It was full of shoes. Nag-explore po kami dahil there malapit na po kasi I think umalis yung bus po namin. So nag-picture muna po kami dito. After visiting that place po, nandito po kami sa like I think for dinner po, not sure. I think medyo hapon pa po to, like mga paggabi lang po, mga 5:30 or 6. At I think ito po isang like isa pong restaurant siya, nagsiserve po like ng Filipino food. Which is interesting kasi matataste po namin yung lutong Korean na Filipino food.
Lagay.
After having that very early na dinner, nandito po kami sa Myeongdong Street Market po ulit to have some street food kasi medyo gutom pa po kami. So we stopped here po din sa may Wagyu beef po.
CK, magkano sa peso?
825, mga
Are you kidding me? Mga pulube sa Korea, kumakain ng Angus beef. Ina, napaka-social naman ito mga pulubing to. Angus beef ang kinakain. Malanjo. Ma'am, ano masasabi mo? Tuloy-tuloy ang subo mo eh. Parang ayaw mong magtire. Ano masasabi mo? Masarap ba, ma'am? Anong lasa? Lasang beef, akalain mo? Yung beef, lasang beef.
안에서 엎드렸다 시간이 피부를 보이는데 진짜 이거 맛있어